Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cigarette lighter in a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools to ensure a smooth process. Always begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical issues. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new cigarette lighter socket. A specialized removal tool can also make the job much easier and prevent damage to your dash. Now, let's move on to disassembling the dash. Using your trim removal tool or a taped flathead screwdriver, gently pry the dash bezel away from the dashboard, starting from one corner. Work your way around until it's loose. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the back of the dash panel. Many have small tabs you'll need to press or pull to release them. Once all connectors are free, remove the dash panel completely and set it aside. With the dash panel removed, you can now access the old cigarette lighter socket. From the back of the bezel, push the old lighter socket out. It might require a bit of force or a gentle tap with a rubberized handle. Remove any trim rings or covers from the old socket, as you'll likely reuse them or install new ones with your replacement. Now, slide the new trim ring into place. Then align the tabs on your new lighter socket and push it firmly until it snaps securely into the bezel. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the dash panel, ensuring each one clicks into place. Carefully align the dash bezel and gently snap it back into its original position, making sure all clips engage. Once the dash is secure, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Test the new cigarette lighter to confirm it's working correctly. Be sure to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. This simple replacement can restore full functionality to your Ram's power outlet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.